Today, Troy and I are going to be painting some race cars. We found this set at Target for only $5. It comes with 2 wooden cars, 1 and 2, a whole set of paint. We have red, black, blue, yellow, white, and glow in the dark. And it even comes with a paintbrush. Are you ready to paint, Troy? Okay, so let's start by opening all of our paint. Yellow. They're on this, look. You want to do green or red? And then go boom, boom, Show me. Now we have to wait for our paint to dry. And look how they turned out. They're so cool. We have one that's rainbow and then the other one that is green and purple. Can I see your hands? You want to wash your hands? Let me see your hands. Oh my gosh, no, don't touch mommy. Let's go wash your hands.